Number 7, law number 7, the law of polarity. Everything is dual in nature and has a pair of opposites. And these opposites are identical in nature, but different in degree. There are two sides for everything. This is the spectrum of aspects in which things that appear to be opposites or contradictory are just two extremes of the same thing. The opposite pairs of love and hate, peace and war, positive and negative, good and evil, yes or no, light and darkness, energy and matter, they are all but varying degrees of the same thing. Thus, transmute the emotions along the same line of any pair of opposites, from hate to love, from fear to courage, and so on, by rising above emotions and by consciously choosing to focus on higher positive aspects. So that's the law of polarity. And I love to work with that law because every time you're focused on one thing, I love to think of, okay, what is exactly at the other side? What is exactly the opposite of this one thing that I'm kind of, getting stuck or way too focused on? And then I think of the opposite and try to find now somewhere a balance on this continuum, on this spectrum, and call and understand on what spectrum actually I am. Like where am I? And I think that's super, super, super helpful. To not think in extremes, but in spectrums. Okay, that was law number 7, so law of polarity.